Introduction. Imagine a realm where curiosity knows no bounds and wonders are waiting to be unveiled at every turn. This is the enchanting world of the natural sciences. As humanity's timeless quest for knowledge converges with the mysteries of the universe, the natural sciences emerge as our guiding torchbearers. They are the key that unlocks the secrets of existence, inviting us to explore the very essence of the world we inhabit. At their heart, the natural sciences are a symphony of discovery, a harmonious dance of exploration and understanding. They illuminate the tapestry of reality, revealing the intricate threads that weave together the fabric of life, matter, and the cosmos. Picture physics, the maestro of motion and forces, conjuring the elegance of celestial ballets and the pulse of particles. Behold chemistry, the artisan of transformation, sculpting the elements into a dazzling array of compounds that paint the canvas of our universe. Biology takes center stage as the storyteller of life's grand narrative. From the whispered secrets of DNA to the vibrant ecosystems that thrive around us, it unravels the epic saga of survival, adaptation, and evolution. And then there are the earth sciences, the guardians of our planet's history and destiny. Geology whispers tales of ancient landscapes sculpted by time, while oceanography and meteorology compose the ever-changing ballads of our planet's waters and skies. But the natural sciences are not merely fields of study, they are quests for wisdom. With each revelation, we inch closer to understanding the profound questions that echo through time. Who are we? Where do we come from? What lies beyond the horizon of our knowledge? They invite us to be detectives of the universe, gathering evidence, forming hypotheses, and embarking on journeys of discovery. In the realm of the natural sciences, beauty resides not only in the elegance of equations and the splendor of landscapes but also in the very act of unraveling the universe's enigma. It's a testament to the boundless human spirit that yearns to decipher the language of creation. So, let us venture forth into this realm of wonders, where the natural sciences beckon us to join the eternal dance of exploration and awe.